Students, today we are going to learn adjective and degrees of comparison. An adjective is a word used to describe a noun or a pronoun. There are different features of adjectives. What are they? That is, adjectives can describe a noun or a pronoun, and adjectives tell more about the kind, quantity, ownership of the noun or pronoun they describe or modify. There are different kinds of adjectives. What are they? Adjectives are of quality, possessive, quantity, number, demonstrative, and interrogative. Then, adjective of quality. If adjective indicate the quality of a noun are called adjective of quality. Here, the boy is intelligent. Intelligent is an adjective. The word intelligent is telling about the boy. So, adjective of quality indicate the shape, size, color of a person or thing. Adjective of quantity. These adjectives can measure the word or it can modify the noun. Adjective of number. Adjective of number tells us how many people or things are being talked about. Example, 15 students have been chosen for the play. Here, 15 is the adjective of number. There are some exceptions, few cases like some, sufficient, and few. It can be used for both countable or uncountable noun. Remember, some, few, sufficient, these are the adjectives which can be used both countable and uncountable noun. Example, some food has been kept aside for the poor. Some students have arrived late. Here, some is for uncountable noun. Sentence B, some is for countable nouns. Next, demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective? These demonstrative adjectives can point out the person or objectives. These apples are rotten. This is my book. Here, this is the demonstrative adjective. What are the words can be used as like the demonstrative adjectives? That is this, that, these, those, such, and certain. Interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are used along with the noun to ask questions. Remember, interrogative adjectives are used along with the nouns to ask questions. For example, which book will you buy? Here, which, the word which is interrogative adjective. Like that, which, there are different interrogative adjectives are there. What are they? Whose, what, and which. Then possessive adjective. Possessive adjective shows the possession or belongingness. His books are on the table. Whose books are there on the table? His book. So his is the possessive adjective. This is the different types of adjective. Now we will learn formation of adjective. How to form adjective? By using some suffixes, we can form adjectives. Here, what is the formula for the formation of adjective? The formula is that first noun, then suffix, then adjective. We will get the adjective. Noun is here love. ABLE is the suffix. By adding it lovable, we got the word. This is adjective. Like this, we can use some suffixes with the noun by which we can get the adjective. Here, various examples are given by using the suffix al, ar, able. They should go to this table thoroughly. Then I see atmosphere, atmospheric science, scientist. By using ISH, boy, boys, fever, feverish. Full, beauty, beautiful, mercy, merciful. IV, impress, impressive, imagine, imaginative. Like this, some, tire, tiresome, trouble, troublesome. Other words are affection, affectionate, west, western, east, eastern, wood, wooden, France, French, wool, woolen. Then formation of opposites with the addition of prefixes. By using some prefixes with the adjectives, we can get the opposite words. For example, honest. If we will add the prefix dis, we will get dishonest. Responsible. If we will use IR, irresponsible. Like this, polite, impolite, human, inhuman. There are different degrees of comparison in adjectives. What are they? Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree is used when no comparison is made. Comparative degree is used when two persons or things are compared. Here, in comparative degree of adjective, than is compulsory in the sentence. Here you see, Hina is more intelligent than my any other girl in the class. Here, than is this is compulsory in the sentence. Then superlative degree of adjective. Superlative degree is used when more than two persons or things of the same class are compared. The same class, it will be same class, and it is used for the more than two persons or things of the same class. Here you see, he is the youngest in the family, or we can say she is the best student in the class. These are the superlative degrees. Next, formation of comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. Here, how to convert comparative to superlative degree. Here you see, students, by adding ER or EST, we can convert positive to comparative to superlative. The original word is sweet, is the positive form of adjective. Sweet to sweeter, this is comparative. Then sweetest is the superlative degree. So, rule number 2, by adding only R and ST when the positive ends in E. See, here the word is ending with E. If the word is ending with E, here you see fine, white, all that words ending with E. In comparative degree, what we have to use? We have to add R. And superlative degree, ST. See here, braver, R we have added. And superlative degree, ST. It has been added. When the positive end in a single consonant, yeah, when the positive ends in Y and has a consonant before Y, we change Y into I. See here, if the word is ending with I, in comparative degree, it becomes Y becomes IER, superlative degree, Y becomes IEST, EST, easiest. So easy, easier, easiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Fifth number rule, by placing more and most before positives to form comparative and superlative respectively. courageous, more courageous, and most courageous. In case of comparative degree, we can use more, and superlative degree, most. Then irregular comparisons. Irregular comparisons means there is no specific rule. Irregularly, it can be compared. What are the words? Good or well, better, best, bad, evil, ill, worse, worst, little, less, lesser, least, much, many, more, most, late, later, last, latest, far, farther, further. Then correct use of some adjectives. Where to use that adjectives? Use of many and much. Many will be used in case of plural form of the countable nouns. It indicates the large number of something. I kept many pencil in the drawer. He lived here for many months. Here, much is used to indicate the large quantity and many is used for the plural form of the countable noun. Then uses of any and some. Some is used in the sentence that is affirmative, whereas any is generally used in negative sentences. In case of affirmative sentences, we have to use some, and in case of negative changes, that will be negative sentences, it will be any. So now you get to know the uses of some and any. Then some of the characteristics of here: a little, little, a little, some but not much. Little is nearly nothing. A few, some but not many. Few, nearly nothing. Use of little, a little, the little. The uses of little, a little, the little. Here, little is the uncountable noun. Little indicates almost none. A little indicates at least some. The little indicate the whole, though very little. Then uses of few, a few, the few. Few is used with the countable nouns. Few indicate not many, maybe, almost none. A few indicate at least some. The few shows all of them, though very few. Uses of later, latter, latest, last. Later and latest is used to indicate the time, whereas latter and last are used to denote position. Use of older, oldest, elder, eldest. Old, older, and oldest are used to denote the age. Remember, older and oldest are used to denote the age. But elder and eldest used with a close relationship. We should never use than with elder. We may write that Subhi is older than Sumati. Then uses of nearest and next. Nearest implies the distance. Next denotes the position. Nearest implies the distance. Next implies the position. Uses of as and so as. As is generally used with positive statements, and as and so as. One of the example of as is. He is a cool as a cucumber. The boy is as good as a swimmer we had expected. Then comparative adjectives ending in OR. What are the comparative adjectives? That is adjectives junior, senior. These words are ending with the OR. So this is will be followed by to, but not then. See here, for example, she was junior to me in college. There are no comparative superlative degree for adjective like ideal, unique, complete, perfect, full, entire, and cheap. For all these words, all these words, superlative degree it will not be applied. Comparative degree or superlative degree. Okay, there are the key points to remember. Adjective of quality answer the question what kind with respect to the noun or pronoun they describe. Adjective of quantity answer the question how much they are used with uncountable noun. Adjective of noun answer the question how many. Then demonstrative adjectives answer the questions which one or which ones. Positive adjective answer answer the question whose. Okay, this is lesson number 3, adjective and determiners. Next class I will teach you lesson number 4. This is lesson number 4, pronouns, number, gender and case. Okay students, tomorrow we will discuss lesson number 4.